Tropic lipsticks. Now these are the refills, they're not the actual lipsticks, so these are the refills. Honestly, from a makeup artist point of view, these are amazing. So with Tropic you can buy obviously the lipsticks, but you get the refills. It's eco-friendly as well, I think that's the whole point of it, less waste and stuff like that. But for me, when I get lipstick, I just take it out, I think I mentioned before, I take it out and put it straight into my little palettes. So it's such a waste getting the, although I do quite like a bullet sometimes, but these, how great is that? I'll go with that one first, which is the Peony Pop. How's that? It's lovely, isn't it? Kind of nude colour. Obviously I have to scrape it off because I'm going to put it in my kit, so I can't use it on me. That is so, so pretty. Oh, that's nice and creamy, that. So let's see. Oh, I like that. Oh, I do like that, that's lovely. Oh, that's such a nice colour. Oh, I'm so impressed. Oh, that feels so good on as well. Oh, I like that. That's straight. They're going in my kit anyway, but I really, really like that. What a pretty colour. And it's not too over the top. You see it there? I'll take some photos and things and that and add it on.